Exercise 31. Lisa created a batch of purple paint by mixing 3 ounces of red paint with 4 ounces of blue paint. So, 3 ounces of red and 4 ounces of blue. If she must mix a second batch using the same ratio. If she uses 9 ounces of red paint for the second batch, how much blue paint should Lisa use? So now she needs to use 9 ounces of red, so she will triple that, and this means that she will have to triple the ounces of blue paint as well. So she would have to put 12 ounces of blue, but it says how much blue paint should Lisa use. 12, 3 times the amount of blue paint used in the first batch, it should be C. 3 times the amount of blue paint used in the first batch.